Transform your flat text into eye-catching curved and bent designs with this quick Photopea tutorial. First things first, let's open up Photopea. Go to Photopea in your web browser. Now, select the text tool from the left-hand toolbar. And let's type out some text for our project. With your text layer selected, navigate to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. From the Edit menu, hover over Transform and then click on Warp. You'll see a grid appear around your text. This is the warp control. Now, simply click and drag these control points to bend and shape your text however you like. You can create subtle curves, dramatic waves, or even more intricate shapes. Experiment with dragging different points to see the possibilities. Once you're happy with the shape, click the commit checkmark at the top to apply the warp effect. And there you have it, beautifully warped text, all for free. You can now add colors, outlines, or any other effects to further enhance your design. So, unleash your creativity and start bending and curving your text in Photopea today.